Welcome to day 57 of our vocabulary journey. Today we'll explore 26 essential English words. These words will help you excel in exams and daily conversations, categorized to make them easier to learn. Category 1, Fame and Recognition, includes words like prominent, notable, celebrated. Prominent means important and well-known, like a prominent scientist in genetics. Notable means worthy of attention. For example, a notable contribution to research. Celebrated refers to being widely known and admired. Think of a celebrated author. Eminent means famous and respected in a profession, like an eminent doctor. Prestigious refers to having high status or reputation, as seen with Harvard University. Category 2, Legends and Myths, explores words like legend, myth, and mythology. Legend means a famous person or old traditional story, like Michael Jordan. Myth refers to a traditional story or a widely held but false belief. Mythology is a collection of myths, like Greek mythology with Zeus and Athena. Category 3, Honor and Distinction, features words such as glorious and glory. Glorious means having great fame or honor, celebrated after a victory. Glory refers to great honor or admiration, such as winning a championship. Standout means to be noticeable. Her unique design made her stand out. Dignitary describes a person of high rank, as welcomed by the president. Category 4, Reputation and Status, highlights words like repute, renown. Repute is the opinion generally held about someone, like a writer of great repute. Renown means the state of being famous, such as an artist gaining renown. Notorious means famous for something bad, like a criminal's daring escapes. Infamy implies being famous for a bad reason. Example, a dictator's infamy. Category 5, Variations and Examples, includes version, species, typical. Version refers to a particular form, like a new version of software. Species mean a group of similar organisms, like thousands of bird species. Typical means having usual characteristics, like a hot summer day. Prototype refers to the first model, like testing a new car prototype. Paradigm means a typical example or model, like this school of modern education. Category 6, Paths and Courses, covers course, route, and curriculum. Course means a direction or path, like changing a ship's course to avoid a storm. Route refers to a path from one place to another, such as the shortest route to the airport. Curriculum means a set of courses in an educational program, like a focus on science. Category 7, Terms and Officials, includes term and minister. Term refers to a word or phrase with a specific meaning, like ecosystem. Minister means a high-ranking government official, like the Minister of Education. Question for viewers: which of these words do you find the most useful? Comment below. Subscribe for daily vocabulary lessons.